Hello, hello. It's date night. Do you like the okay loading screen? Oh. Hi, guys. Hi, Ellie. Hi, Tulo. Hi, Prongles. Hi, Obi.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hi, Carmine. Alright, so we are starting off already with one that I can't believe I rolled. Tell you. Well, you'll just have to see for yourself.
I miss my wife tales. I miss her alive.
Oh my god.
UWU.
What the fuck? Hello, Bliss. And hello, Nico. Thank you for the resub. Hello. Oh my god. Guys. Sims added these, like, discovery quests that honestly are just pissing me off. I don't need more notifications. I've forgotten which apartment building it is. This one. Oh, Charlie, did you fucking break my model? Hi. It's fine. Puppy too small. Puppy breaks, and Puppy does not float to the top like I tell it to sometimes.
Sulji de Stutang.
Droba.
So our first pair that we rolled today is Levi and Carmen.
We sit in a row.
Let me know if the game volume is too loud.
Braza? Huh? Yibs.
Dabishi Slekam? Ken Kuya.
What happened to Sandstorm? I'm rolling out different sound redeems.
Whoa.
I technically do still have the Sandstorm, but you have to pay bits to use it. Okay. Dude, Delta and Levi a thing in The Sims? I don't remember. Uh-oh. No, I'm safe. Everything's fine.
Baringo.
I love Avalon and cameras just going off with the push-ups. Okay. So what have I downloaded recently? We're not going to the vampire bar. Oh, you do need to make a Capri, Carmine. Oh my god, they'd be such a good sim. Oh, we could go to the arcade. No. No. Not them. We'll go to a nightclub. He has a girlfriend. Not in this game. Actually, in this game, he might have like 7. Not any game. Shut the fuck up. Levi, gotta get you inside. And we gotta invite everyone over. Not you. Issa always looks so funny in the thumbnail. Who else we got? What the fuck? Oh, the googly toggle doesn't work with the puppy. I do want it eventually too, but the problem is that with each model, I have to like give it its own like I could do it. It would just take a lot of thought beforehand to set up. Why am I still a dog? There we go. I'll be broken for a little bit, but that's okay. Alright, Levi, where's your date? Where's your real date? I don't know where Carmen went. Oh, Carmen's with fucking Asmodel? That's understandable. It's hopping down here. Meanwhile, Delta's just dancing alone. Go Io. Asher's alone. Levi has learned that Carmen likes fitness. Unfortunately, I would much rather be playing as Carmen right now, but my game doesn't let me, like, visit the campus if I'm not a student. So I do have to be Levi. Can I get everybody else down here? Oh. Every time I see Amadeus in The Sims, I like have to giggle because of his little like bow tie. Come on, let's get the group down here. Levi's gonna order Carmen a drink, and then they're gonna take a selfie together. Hello, 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 Link. Welcome in. Yeah, Levi's mom is here too, which is a little weird. Io has not stopped dancing. is your mom here? This is so embarrassing. She's supervising.
Oh.
Sul. Funiata, huh?
Tombra.
What the hell are we listening to? What the? Okay, we got Carmen the drink. Success. Jordan closing in on Levi's mom. Oh, you're right. Come on, Levi, take your picture. Bro, your date is over here. She's chatting someone else up. Oh my god. She's just sitting, she's standing drinking the drink that he bought for her while he stays behind and just stands at the bar. Honestly, this is just how I imagine a date with Carmen and Levi going. Yeah, you're right. Okay, she finished her drink. Is he gonna bring her another one? Levi, I'm begging you. Oh, okay. He's closing in. Is his mom gonna be in the photo? Okay. That's fine. This is acceptable. Oh, they are right up on the stage. Ooh, yes. Work it. That one's so bad. Okay. What the fuck? Finch, what the hell? Oh no! Oh my good god!
Cheer 1000.
What the fuck? Thank you! I don't even know what to say! That's what's playing at the club. Yeah, I'd like to imagine that. What on earth? Thank you! I hope it was worth the caramel dancing. Oh wait, now I need a better bits badge, because my current one kind of sucks. I have to make bits badges specifically for you. Wait, do you have the bits emote though? Do you have my like? I forgot which one is my bits emote.
Oh, Rouge Pepso.
I think it's like the smug one. Smug and bonk. Gossip about family drama.
Nerdball. Steve Charso denoise. Look easy.
Hello, Sam. Welcome. As usual, Finch is just kind of going crazy. Okay. We have not even reached bronze yet with these two. Levi should DJ. Wait, who the fuck? Whoa. What just happened? What the heck? What? Who's honking? I feel crazy right now. What just happened? My camera went insane. Is Salem here? No, I specifically did not invite them. Look at this dude reading at the club. He had a book. I swear to God, he had a book. This is me. Okay, I'm gonna have them have one more conversation. And then can Levi DJ? I don't think he can. Nico, I can't fulfill that. What's the next closest thing? I guess just dance. They're at bronze. Can he paint a portrait of her at the club? How do you spell easel? What the fuck? That's really funny. God damn it, you guys. Ooh, the lack of like build mode music. Do not recommend. Okay, I'm gonna put an easel on stage. What the who? I'm not even. I'm in build mode. Finch, at least wait till I'm in the game. I don't know if this will let me. Why is it glowing? Oh my fucking god. Imagine you're at the club and some dude rolls up with a whole ass easel. Wait, will it let? She's behind him. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Oh, maybe it will. Maybe it will. Wow, how romantic. None of the people in the background are characters, except for like Blaze. Beautiful. Romantic. Hi, Brian. Look, it's Carmen and Levi. And now he's gonna ignore her for the rest of the night because he's painting her. Alright, who else we got? I went to a Cloud Cult concert and they painted live during the set. Oh my god. Imagine you're at a club and someone rolls up with a chicken cordon bleu. Ellie, you'll never guess what I'm eating right now. The Carmen effect, men doing whatever for her while she exists. Yeah, earlier, Levi brought her a drink and then he proceeded to just like stare at her from across the room. And now she's sizing up Io. Alright, Levi, you can finish your painting later. This is taking too long. They have to sit and talk to each other? Like sit? Why do they have to sit? Terrible. Why do you just have them? Cause they're good. It's food. Who are these random ass people? Ooh, they're flirting. She would ruin him. Levi, pledge your darkness to her. She's into that. No, I think if Levi said anything like that, he would die instantly.
Oh,
Sul.
Look at Io, he's so bad at dancing. Levi fits the spades spectrum of loser nerd? What the fuck? I won't take this. Gotta run back to rehearsal. Have fun, Carmen. Thank you, Brian, for stopping by. Alright, let's have them take one more selfie. Maybe like over here. The selfies are like one of my favorite parts. Wow. 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 We got that one again. I should get a mod that gives me more selfie poses. Why are you always talking about Homestuck? I want to take someone. I made a I have an arcade I want to take somebody to. How far did Levi get on his painting? Oh, that's kind of cute. I may have put too much gochujang in my ramen. My lips are tingling. Suck it up. Just get good. Delta has been here all night.
Date complete.
Alright, we got bronze. To be fair, I did not try very hard. Because something about this felt wrong when I was controlling Levi. But they were a fun match. Alrighty.
Who we got next?
Oh, damn. This camera's like dancing. Oh, Brian left already. I'm gonna say no. I feel like cameras like certain kind of dancing, but maybe not this dancing. The dancing that they're doing right now. Ooh, wait, we got a good one. Hello, Panda. Welcome. How goes OCs? OCs go good. We just finished our first date with Levi and Carmen. What the fuck? Link! Oh! What the fuck? Thank you! Oh my god, for the 5 subs? Thank you! What the heck? Y'all are crazy. Oh my gosh. Aw, oh, Bliss got one. Karama got one. Aros got one. Thank you, Link. That's so sweet. We are gonna go. I think back here. I like to make the little animations happen. The sound effect, that one specifically, actually a lot of mine are from Animal Crossing, but that one specifically was definitely from Animal Crossing. Oh, wait a second. I need to be more strategic about this. Nope, I'm gonna have to switch households. So Dana supplied me with an updated Isla, which is very cute. So we get to see. What, is it a holiday? Yeah, we get to see the new Isla. But not yet because I picked the wrong household. Yeah, tonight so far we've only had Carmen and Levi. I have to remember where the other half of this pair lives. Where did I throw them? There you are. Did I put Theron and Yuffie in? I think. I know Theron is in there. It's funny, I added the ability to check all of the submissions. And I think Theron was like #1. like had the most requests, which was really funny to see. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of adultery. That's okay. Why does Leah know jewels? Who the fuck is this? Why does she have romance meters with like random people? Who is Leah? Carmine, would you like to share? I knew you were gonna say that. That's Carmen's beautiful wife. She's a sneaky little thief. I think I voted for her at your birthday party. Alrighty. Where are you? For some reason, the entrance to this house is in the back. Oh wait, can I do it here? Oh, I can go through the garage. Alright, and I just have to make sure to not accidentally invite anyone in her household. Still haunted by the Isla Salem pool date was so fucking funny. The way that it broke my game so badly.
Oh, Nargi.
Is she good?
Said Gula.
Oh my god.
Oh, Nargi.
This should go well. All right, we talking in the back? All right, goodbye, Aries.
Yabo.
Can y'all stand somewhere where I can see you easier?
Cenobip Bolingo. Nerbishopik, huh?
Ziffle, Nabagazine, Zarps.
Wadida.
Ooh, can we go on a date already?
Ah, Brihe Gane Bane.
Maybe.
Nilsy.
Drishi. Von Graf.
What? They're Trill and Fair are drinking like
yes.
martinis. Oh my god, we're already on the date. Let's go. They just met. All right. Do y'all have any suggestions? Let's see. We've got nightclub again. I could take them to the arcade or the beach. We've got the vampire bar. The beach would be cute. Wait, it's nighttime though. Maybe not the beach. It's like 8 p.m. Well, it could be cute though. Maybe they got lights and shit. Let's go to the beach. Thank you, Panda. I'll add that to the queue. Oh, this is cute at night. What else we got? It's funny that the bar lot is here, and then there's an entirely other lot right here that I'm like not in, but I could travel to. But I can't because I'm on a date. That's fine. All right. We're not inviting JoJo. When will Sims add the option for open relationships? Honestly, at the rate that they're going, I wouldn't be surprised. Because now you can specify like your romantic and like sexual preferences. I think they're separate, maybe? Or something?
Blade, Caduceor, Nino.
Leah has learned the following traits about Isla. Mean. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's singles night! Drinks are half off! Let's go, Leah! Wait, there's no one at the bar. Okay, well, she'll make her own drink, I guess. Leah's gonna make a drink for Isla.
Benaya, Hargreave, Chorby, Boomba, Wanu.
I love everybody celebrating singles night as if it's like they kind of celebrate holidays the same way. So it's like singles night, but they're like celebrating like it's fucking Christmas. Anjay is sitting and laughing alone. Never mind, Aries is there. Sorry, I'm struggling.
Sul.
Sul.
Shimaraga.
Lone B.
Guy at singles night just makes sense. Yeah, I agree.
Flirbinder, Fomanzi Flazi. The nerve.
Ooh, hold on. This is cute. Leah's not very good at making drinks. Cute!
Buena.
No, make her another one. That was cute.
Maruna.
Maruna?
Oh, Bon and Gravy? Oh, yes.
I love how no one is manning the bar. Well, I'm not gifting her my camera.
Rishi Bruges. Oh, Toki Fwizak Mob. Zombo. O'Neill.
I'm looking at snack section of your Thrones list. Yes, I like the strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper a lot.
Amini Dermid.
I can't like really explain why, but it like, I don't know, I like Dr. Pepper. And like the strawberry isn't like, it's like a fake strawberry, but it's not like, I don't know. I can't explain it, but it's good and you should try it. Yeah, strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper. You can get it like in grocery stores right now. Who the fuck? Buddy.
Wogra. Vimpa.
Okay, Isla is already on it. Alright, you guys can keep flirting. Ooh, they are doing good already. Let's take a selfie.
Goblet Sharky.
Oh.
Krishy. Ooh, Schwabi.
I can't imagine you should let Leah behind the bar. She just stole so much alcohol. I just know it. Nice. Oh, you know what? It is also New Year's Eve. That kind of makes sense.
Though.
For some reason, I was like thinking that everyone was acting so celebratory because it was singles night. But it is New Year's Eve, singles night, and a date. Oh, is Trill gonna be in the background? Wait, that's so good. Trill's like, I'm here too. Hi. We've got Trill and Kiriel's right boob are making a cameo. Ooh, that one's good. Beautiful. Oh, I forgot to... Prongles, you got number 2 on solo Fortnite? I'm proud of you. That shit's scary alone. It is really scary by yourself. Is everyone watching like the fucking ball drop on this little TV that's facing the corner of the room? All right, y'all, let's go make a sandcastle or something. What is this? What? Wait, Leah can just steal shit? She can just steal this. Okay, come steal this, I guess. What happens if she gets caught? Would stealing impress Isla? Oh, she failed. Is it because that dude was right there? Probably. Oh, not everyone. I want this to be a romantic activity. Well. Okay, that's fine. I love how they're both in like fucking black jeans and heels. We love the beach. They can steal each other's hearts. Can I take a photo just like of someone, not with them? Ooh. Wait, let's try that. No, you don't have to stop.
Just an A.
Aw, man. They didn't get very far with their sandcastles. Y'all just gonna stand there, huh? Is Trill gonna be in the background of another selfie?
Yeah, dump set.
No. It was real close, though. It's also Trill's date. Wow, women.
So.
Alright, let's have them sit and chat. Trill, no! Not you two, you need to get out of here. What the fuck? Oh, hi, Lolly! Thank you for the raid! Trill, get the fuck out of here. Oh, they left. Okay, yeah. I guess I told them to. Hi, Lolly. Thank you for the raid. Were y'all playing Fortnite? Did you win?
Plashoanga.
Did you win any Fortnite?
Aww.
Nice. Let me give you a silly little shout out. Let's see what dumb clip it whips up.
There was a great big flash. Everything just changed. His molecules got all rearranged. Phantom, when he first woke up, he realized he had snow white hair and glowing green eyes. Walked through walls, disappear, and fly. He was much more unique than the other guy.
Hell yeah!
What he had to do. He had to stop all the ghosts that were coming through. He's here to fight for me and you. He's gonna catch 'em all cause he's Danny Phantom. Gonna catch 'em all cause
really
he's
good.
Danny Phantom. Gonna catch 'em all cause he's Danny Phantom.
Wow. Someone please clip that.
Narimo?
Oh, that was a really good clip. Oh my god.
Pampini Umbra.
Vadish. Chobaba Exanoy?
Bivos.
Yeshla Quiz.
Well, I'm sure everybody knows me, but I am Teal, and I'm currently playing The Sims, and I'm forcing me and my friends as OCs to go on dates with each other.
Oh. Mibin grilled meat? Meat.
I wish Leah had more gifts, because right now she only has a camera. Uh-oh, wait a second. Uh-oh, what happened? Huh? I look away and they're not doing so hot anymore. Oh, because she got caught stealing. Is that it? Oh my god. Shubi. Are they watching the ball drop? Shushubi. Oh, it is 11:42 p.m. Oh my god. No, you can't zoom on the feet, guys. The feet. Why do you want the feet bigger? All right, as soon as it hits midnight, we can be done with this.
Shushubi.
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 Shushubi. Oh, whoa. Oh, dude, that timing was crazy. Alright, is everybody gonna leave now? Get the fuck out of here.
Can't see the end of the horizon. Hatsune Miku.
Wait, I don't actually want everybody to leave. Leah, why are you over there? Come make your date another drink. I literally think that it's because she stole.
Kill you
Baringo.
and then kill you again.
It's because she fucked up stealing and now she's embarrassed.
Gribbs. Habery.
Florine.
Okay, just order her a drink.
Yuvene.
And then you can go cuddle on the couch.
I miss my wife, Tails. I miss her a lot. I'll be back.
I miss my wife Tails so much. I don't think you guys understand. Isla, your ass. Wait, am I saying her name wrong? It's been so long.
Oh.
Oh. Isla. Okay, cool. For a second, I was like, is it Ayla? Am I embarrassing myself on live TV?
Miranai.
Tuttle?
Bombzoid Dimpish.
Well, there's no music out here. So we're bringing back Movie Song. What, Leah, where the fuck? Okay, she's a pee. That's fair. She can do that. Well, aesthetically, this date has been great, but if we're looking at like numbers, it's only been okay. Who the fuck are you? Love to get an alert that my mods have failed. What the fuck? Am I getting stick bugged right now? Isla, wake up. Edison is sniping you currently?
Floima
What the
Sharnu?
fuck does that mean?
Aw, yoyum.
Isla woke up and immediately started drinking. I don't know where she got that. Oh my god. Scares me every time. Okay, we're back on the couch. We're socializing.
Can Kubu Koiba? Oh, yibs.
Wait, when did the little guys fall down? So whenever I get a raid, it like drops a bajillion bombs, and then half of my avatars end up at the bottom of the screen. It's like a fun little A fun little, like, who's gonna get split up? Alright, both of the dates just... Did Finch sit on the logo again? They like to do that.
Oh, Yibs.
You can technically move your little guy around and jump and like sit and shit. Well, the date's over, but now they're being cute. Whatever.
Mustache. Boosty Prida. Waffle
Well, let's see here. Luckily, I think what I can do is if I just... Can I do this through Command Center? Can I just switch? Oh, it broke. Oh, who did a battle royale? Uh-oh, I broke my game. Uh-oh, I broke my game. Oh shit, hold on. All right, you guys fight while I fix this. Oh wait, hold on, hold on. No, I can't. That's so funny. At least I can still save. Oh my god! Congratulations, Ava. There's so many sounds happening tonight. Oh look, everybody's banished back up to the top. The battle royale trick worked. Alright, we are almost back in the game. Here, you guys can fight one more time. How do you do it like this? So many of you. I'll try not to think about that. Oh my god. That's the music that plays at the end of the Freelancer arc in RVB? Was it? Like the sad music? Cause yeah. That's basically what it was. That's what it makes me. No, not the the sad music overlaid on top of the fucking Halo theme. Oh my god, I won my own battle royale? That's not fair. I have infinite money. You gotta just stop thinking. Yeah, you're right. That's the way to go. Is there a list of bit alerts somewhere? I don't remember where you view it. I think it's in like my about section. Or there's like an extension above chat or something. I like never see, I'm never viewing my own stream, so I never know where any of that shit actually is. God, what, it scares me every time. Okay, I think we're good. Game activate. Boom. So let's just not use the command center. I think that's a great idea. Is Isla still here? Woo. Did she leave? No, I need her. I need her. Save me, Isla. Fuck! Okay, whatever, that's fine. I keep getting stick bugged. I kind of wish stick bug was longer. Because I do genuinely enjoy the stick bug theme. Whoever made it. I don't even know what it originally was from. I do need the visual, you're right. See, I tried. Oh, god damn it. This one is so long. Thank you for adding music to my loading screens. Thank you, Finch. Thank you. Also, hello, Raguba. I don't think I said hi. I did put long on it. Oh my god, is it winter now? I guess it was. Oh god, it's so loud. I guess it was New Year's Eve. Alright, where's the mailbox? Take the whole crew. I feel fucking insane right now. Oh, they got their water shut off? That's fine. They'll figure it out. Did you notice I like quick hit no fitness? Oh god. Oh. Man. Alright, Isla.
Oh, Skimbo.
Please. You're gonna travel? Please travel. She keeps wanting to go punch the teddy bear. She's so aggressive. Okay. I think we're going back to the city. Right? Where did I put you? No, they're in the desert. I banished them to the desert. God damn it. Finch, please.
Cheer 100.
Cheer 100. Yeah, there. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, you didn't update her out? Yeah, I kind of saw the bright green and it was a little worried. It's fine. It's fine. I will just switch her back to her default outfit. Yeah, the green's not a good look on her. Unless like Satira bought it for her or something.
Lyric.
Okay, oh my god. Honestly, Sea Shanty does kind of make me want to play RuneScape, and I wasn't even that hardcore of a RuneScape player. Okay. I'll let you know when her new save is ready for next time. Okay, good. Yeah, if anybody watching has Sims in my game and they also play The Sims, you are welcome to like let me know if I need to update your character's design or anything. Okay, dude, is there power off? I think we already established that. Her winter outfit is spicy? Oh no, we're missing out on so much.
Oh.
Oh. Yes.
I have The Sims, but have I played it? You own it, but you haven't played it? I guess it's kind of a commitment. Like once you start, it's like hard to stop.
Oh, Lavoy Mabiza.
Oh, what the heck? What? When did she lose her name? Okay. Like many things, owning games is a completely different hobby than playing games. Okay, that's true. Unfortunately, you are 100% correct. Me owning, like... Oh, man, I don't even want to think about it. I own all the Mass Effect games, and I have not even played the first one. It's at the same time. God damn it. Well, it's my go-to example, okay? And where the fuck is Isla? There she is. Stream Mass Effect? I've thought about it. I suppose it's been a while. And the last time I tried playing... Oh, I don't even remember why Well, I know why I stopped. But I suppose with like a bigger audience, it would be more fun to play. Where? Where did she go? Girl, get over here. Actually, no, go in the backyard. Let's go back here. Streaming has made me actually play the games I own. Exactly. Ignore the fact though that it takes me a year to complete one game at the rate that I stream them at. But yes, same.
Abimi Shrozes, Nuloy.
Ephedra Yambara.
Hey, Bruges.
How does this make you guys feel?
Oh, sorry.
This matchup. Thoughts? Comments? Concerns? Why are you in here now?
Oh, yo.
Ooh, I could take them to the arcade. No, I'm gonna bring them to the vampire bar. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, yes.
Conqueroo. Chibi.
Saying any of the... Saying I haven't played Dragon Age, Mass Effect, or Baldur's Gate is a fast way to summon Tulo. You're right.
Quaxa.
Slaw.
Stream Mass Effect, but specifically stream it in the Monster Factory way.
Oh.
Oh my god, but you can't beat Truck Shepherd. Like,
Yibs.
that's so much to live up to, you know? Hey Mimir, can you fucking move? Please! Okay, date? Oh my god. Whoa, they're hugging! Whoa, okay! Whoa! Date?
Son of Diola?
Benarp.
Oh, shoot, be Ralph.
Alright, let's go to the vampire bar. Sometime in late 2024, you'll get to the part about Baldur's Gate I'm dying to talk to you and Charlie about. Yep, that's a good timeline. Let's hope we beat it in 2024. Alrighty. Who can we bring here? Once again, I'm bringing Charles to the nightclub. It's fine. Who do we got? Oh, let's not bring anyone we Why is he okay? If you saw that, congratulations.
Pelfin! Oh.
Ooh, this is a cute lot. Carly is feeling very sad for some reason. Oh, I think that's just how they are. Yep, they're just kind of sad. That's fine. Alright. Alright, we gotta fight for music dominance here. Alright, hold on, I have to catch up on chat. This is exhausting. Wait, Link, what did you say?
Yabo.
Oh, thank you, Carmine. Carmine used add permitted term. Twink.
Oh. So.
Menzu.
Yeftime Abasani.
Dagdag.
Oh, Lampima.
Twink is allowed.
Zerxel? Philpin.
Oh.
Can y'all go inside the vampire bar? Amadeus is looking classy as fuck right now. It's good. Yeah.
Oh.
Tag.
It keeps catching it though. Like I keep permitting it. It like It doesn't allow people to say honky because of racism, but like you can't be racist towards white people. So I have to allow it like every time. Alright. There's no one at this bar either. Time to make drinks. Wait, they are not doing good. Oh no. That's fine. Yeah, yes, Carmine. I assume that's why it's caught. It does specify it is for like racism when it filters that out. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Like it is not on my radar. But according to Twitch's default settings. Alright, where is Isla? Go inside! Theron's making you a drink. Also, hi Eros. Welcome to date night. Oh, look at Charles go! He shouldn't be here. It's Guy's Christmas sweater. Dude, the music is way too quiet. Oh, there we go. Alright. Is Amadeus manning the bar now? I think they're conversing, but from across the room. Time to dip into Theron's like 50 roses in their inventory.
Oh, honey,
Yeah, it's a little Sims date night is a little thing I made up. I have a bajillion OCs in this game, and I spin a little wheel, and I make them go on dates with each other at random, regardless of like their compatibility. Also, wait, Amadeus is a minor. He can't be at the bar. Okay, the rose is working. She gave it back.
Ooh,
Zombo.
Does this mean I need to create an OC? I always encourage OC creation for Gooba. What does Emerald? What are you doing, bro? So many of these people are bringing their homework and shit to the bar. It's so funny. Wait, he's probably grading papers. Let's do some mischief. See, Isla, unfortunately, is having a great time, I think. The music is too quiet though, so I'm bringing back my WarioWare music.
Oh, nay.
This is more entertaining to me than The Bachelor. Is Charles still going? He is! We love the vampire bar. Emerald grading papers and Amadeus serving drinks so he can watch what grade he's getting.
Oh, Lempema.
Okay, let's see what's upstairs. Another bar. Whole other crowd of people. What the fuck is this? Chess? A spooky organ? A swanky little seating area? Ooh. Fortunately, I gotta hop out, but thank you for hosting OC night. These are always so entertaining. Oh, thank you, Panda. Thanks for stopping by, and thank you for contributing to the chaos. It's Ludo's secret apartment. Oh no! Does Carly dislike dancing? Something is telling me yes. I'm gonna say yes, but if Nico, if you're here and you have comments, let me know. And I can change it later. Alright, no one is up here. Ooh. Wait, this is the selfie spot. No, you guys don't come with! Oh fuck! I've got my group, I forgot! They're all grouped. Fuck. It was just them too. And then their entourage came after.
Shepim Lanji. Jabi.
You know, that's okay. This is cute. Ooh, that hair clipping. Yacht lava in the background. Boom. Beautiful. Can I get everybody out of this fucking group? Disband group. Get out of here.
Shabedaza.
Reed. Exenois us. Wasusa.
If there's a bonfire somewhere?
Frida. Frida.
Oh my god. Why is this good but also ick? Sorry, Bliss. That's how you make me feel every day when you send me fucking DMs on twitter.com. I feel like sins get committed on the top floor. Yeah, you're right. Why'd they go down here? Wait, what bonfire? I can select cozy up. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm assuming the game is just a little bit broken there. There are so many people on this lot. I just gotta fire back at her. You're right. I should start writing fan fiction in return. Who the fuck is just naked? Man, put some clothes on. Corey has learned that Dyatlov is a lab technician at Future Sim Labs. Where did Charles go? Everyone moved upstairs. That's crazy. Oh, he's behind the bar! No! Someone pick up their child. Oh yeah, Bliss. Daisha's coming up. You're not safe. Okay, they're just fucking staring at each other. Let's try more selfies. That's the worst. Okay, you know what? That's fine. The statue might be in the background. That's kind of cool. It looks like they're in jail. Like we've got like prison bars. Just got arrested. Prison selfie.
Fuma Kimba Kimba. So, baby Kankuya.
Ooh, the rose again. I love how you bring as many people as possible to these dates. It's my favorite part. It's like the date is the focus, but I love looking in the background and seeing like what the fuck is going on. It's so funny. It's endless entertainment. Charles, how did you gain a level in swimming? Like right now? He's just a talented boy. Alright, go buy your date another drink. Suna Nibnub. I'm so curious what her other default outfits look like. I think they're like not good. How do I ask? Oh, I don't remember.
Peanut Venado. With them ball. Oh, banana. On cheap.
They like changed the social wheel a while back, and I do think I like it better, but I have not gotten used to it. Oh my god, they're like blowing kisses at each other. So we've seen the green one. That one's not good. Oh no, is it storming? Uh-oh. I like it. You can't be back there.
Fabi Frenoy. Ebony Ishko.
Limbo. Bilbar. Son of Viola?
New.
Who is that? Ah,
I've forgotten already how to change her clothes. Because it's not funny. Interests? No. Small talk. Ask to see outfit. Boom. Their date is going way too well. Are we gonna hit gold?
The samba.
Larga Zakuni. Sensen Gorge.
Sibuna Torble Farbe.
Piguna.
Plashina.
Oh, Pempini.
Reveal deep secret. I kind of miss the like vampire lair upstairs. Let's go back up here. What the heck? Oh my god, Dreamy, hi! Hello! Welcome, welcome! Bum, bum, bum. Thank you for the raid, Dreamy. We're doing date night again. And things have been going a little too well. We just finished a wonderful date. What were y'all playing? What the? Oh my god, was that the clip? What just happened? I got so scared. I thought that was the Sim. I thought Isla sat down and I thought she Ara'd at me. I just had a fucking heart attack. That was so funny. Oh my god. Holy shit. Thanks, guys. Oh. Isla would, Ara, yeah. I agree. Alright, let's roll up a new pair. Oh my god, that was so funny. That timing was crazy. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see. How do I want to do this? Wow. Heading out. Okay, Lolly. See ya. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for the raid. Have a good night. Yeah, I'm not giving feet away for free. It does cost 250 points. Okay. How do I want to do this? Are they both in the city? I think they are. Oh, this is gonna be so easy. It was free for the rest of us who didn't have to redeem it. Yeah, that's true. Someone had to foot the bill. Haha. Oh, what? Oh, we got a battle royale. Fight! Fight for me. Oh right, I have so many people who can activate battle royales now. We got all the mods in chat. Okay, how do I... Let's do 8. Can you? Oh, Jesus Christ! Stop! I hate these stupid quest messages. I need to find out how to turn this off. Did Solo win? Nice. Bogdan is already having a crisis, and I have not even told him to do anything. It feels like it's been forever since Bogdan has been romantic with his partner. He can't help but wonder what his partner is up to or who they are seeing behind his back. Well, time to have him go on a date with somebody else. Oh god, wait, what the fuck? Look at their relationship! Did we do that? Did we try to like... What happened here? Holy shit. But they're still romantic. It's very awkward. Yeah, whatever that means, okay. Yikes. Oh my god. Guys! He won't leave. Go visit your fucking neighbor, bro. Get out of here. I think he's broken. Hold on. God. Leave! Please, can you leave your apartment? Okay, okay, we've taken steps. We've taken steps. Oh, you know what? He's already out in the hall. Taking out the trash. How romantic. I need you guys to know that one of the possible dates that I rolled was Hector and Talmadge. Does he have romance? Oh, he does. He has a romance bar with Monty. I don't remember why. Don't remember that happening.
Scuba Chew. Prep Pelzo.
Heading out. Okay, Bliss. Have a good night.
Yibs.
Level.
Oh.
Are they neighbors? Yeah, they're neighbors. It's just these. It's just Kazlan in one half, and then the Bogdan experience in the other half. He's in his pajamas still. This is so funny. Yeah, he's really, I think he is really depressed. Right now he's very tense. He has looming anxiety for fear of being cheated on. It's a mess. Schnizzle. So yeah, I think what's the narrative here? Bogdan thinks that Pride is cheating on him, so he is going to sleep with the next door neighbor warlock patron in retaliation, I think. Yikes.
Charge.
Okay, and it's already not going well.
Oh, yeah.
I'd watch this sitcom.
Falbin Zitorim.
Obista.
Kafaya.
Gibbs. Schmidt. Shishitwa.
Date?
Dorma.
Excellent Mimbo.
Flosta.
Level.
Date? Date. Alright, where do we take these to? We've got an art gallery, we've got nightclub, we've got the gym. The lounge kind of sucks. I wish I could take them to the ski resort on a date, but that's like a whole thing. There's karaoke. Oh wait, I think I added... Oh wait, I know, hold on. Where did I put that? I added a strip club, I think, but like, I put it on campus. Oh, it won't let me, no! Really? I thought I put it here. Oh, maybe I didn't save. Oh, that's so sad. Where's my strip club? Boo. Alright, I'll take him to the arcade. The spooky arcade, specifically. Ah, man. Where's my strip club? That's so sad. Would have been perfect. Oh well. Bogdan saved by my Sims game being fucking broken half the time. Oh god, it's so pink. This is not a place to be during the day. I can tell you that. Why is it so bright? This is gonna be wonderful for photos. Okay, Bogdan, do you have friends? Yeah, he's friends with Orb for some reason. Is this a certain Jester's Nightmare pink room? Wait, you're kind of right. This is very Bettlecore. Okay. Just another day in The Sims. Aries is gonna burn. He'll figure it out. Dude, look at this look at this place! This is crazy. The ghost wallpaper is so cute. All right, where is everyone going? The bathrooms look crazy. I literally don't know where anybody is though. People agreed to come over, right? Okay. Oh, there's a basement. Well, that didn't answer my question. Oh, cute. Okay, okay. All right, Bogdan, let's game with your date. This is cute. Wow, look at the game they're playing. They're so good at it. I like when it's just a blank screen. This place is so colorful. Alright, what kind of mischief can we do? No, these are too fun. Sorry, Bogdan. What about gifts? What do you got? Oh my god, he's got a cosmopolitan with him? And 10 mushrooms. We'll start with the drink. And then if things get crazy, we'll give him some mushrooms.
Whitney, Elma.
Welcome back, Sam.
Ah, marble.
Having fun, Leah? They're just staring at each other. God, this is awkward. He's thinking about pride. Oh my god! I'm pinning that. One of Bogdan's goals is to divorce Fedja. Stop. Stop. This is a nightmare. Give him the goddamn drink. Oh no, Prongles! They like each other too much. I don't know if they can fight.
Good boy.
Fight Fedja? Well, he's at work right now.
Imka Floof? Rena!
Gibbs, Tombra.
Oh, this is just not what he should be wearing. And he's on fire. Wizard duel in the parking lot. Alright, let's just see what happens. Listen, they were already doing really bad. Oh, okay. Didn't want to face them, huh? Oh, if Pride had been there for the selfie, that would have been so fucking funny. Oh, I'm so sad he teleported away. Oh my god, these are cute. We got the hookah in the background. Asher's just laughing at them. And now Bogdan is sick. Uh-oh. Oh, he's gonna game angrily.
Wibbis. Boy Yarba. Styrka. Something Dwarf. Sul.
I love this game.
Mimblin Sabricia.
Eno Planar.
Flurna. Oh, Jarbin Decor. Tip. Tip. Coaching. Farza.
Dude, they're gonna divorce before our very eyes. Take more selfies while he's gaming in the background. Oh no, I missed my opportunity. Wait, can I take a selfie with more than one person? No. Hold on, let me. What the fuck? No. Wait, this is so funny. Divorce selfie. Oh, Bogdan, you're fine. Oh my god. Wait, okay, can I take... But I want to take a group picture. Damn.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I know how to do that. I could just take a picture. Oh, but he just disappeared. Damn it. Well. Anyway, back to our date.
Oh, Whipney, Durfka. Noi.
Oh my god.
Noi. Fras Bobsel. Chichi. Hish Pipsa Lagoosh.
It's googly time. Oh my god. It scares me every time.
Lauren. Jewel, not a drim. Sprint.
Hey, Joaquin? Can I help you? Okay, bye.
Trips Kalafalobi. Galoof.
Oh, he's hissing now. He's just hissing at people. Okay, can you guys stand somewhere where I can actually, like, look at you? What the fuck is this? This place is crazy. Does it keep going? Oh, we were in the basement. Duh, okay.
Dag.
Well, these two shouldn't be talking. Let's go. Not you guys. God damn it. Is hissing good or bad on a date? That's true. It does depend on what you're into. I hope he can use the hookah with the umbrella. The mirror. Oh, look at him, he's smoking! Oh, buddy, you gotta, you can't, we can't. Oh, he's gonna catch fire. Hold on, I'm gonna save just in case he dies. It's fine. He'll be fine. Look at Io. Okay, you guys need to stop. Let's go inside and do this. This whole thing represents something in PK, but I don't really know what.
Galebi 2, Fuinta.
Grau Hispa, Yaloof.
You guys, you could literally sit next to each other. God, I hate this. All right. Deep thoughts. Share insecurities.
Sul.
Stirb. Sul.
The samba.
Oh, Bogdan is not doing very well. Hold on. Someone got us sick.
Miku. Yaniful. Sahibsa. Ugh. Kane Moobsna.
Wow. And we'll just take one of those. Oh my god! I didn't tell him to do that!
Yips.
There's no music.
Salunga. Panave. Bamba Yoops. Glara. Zars. Tan. Mapleaver.
Okay, more deep thoughts. Propose crazy scheme.
Buna.
We're say-so, says the person with the Ara redeem. I still cannot believe that clip went off. And I did not know what the fuck was going on. That was so funny. Look at Isla Ara-ing at me. There, he's fine. Oh my god. It's so funny when they have like custom heights, because I have a mod. And it kind of just like makes when they stare at each other a little bit weird. What song is this? They're just like staring. What are you looking at? His head, the top of his head? There's not enough drama right now.
Ooh, Oh, ho, ho, ho.
So I made Kazlin a vampire in this game because it lets you have 2 forms. And we also made Pride a vampire because it lets you have 2 forms. What the fuck was that, dude? Oh my god, he So here's your fight, Prongles. The bat noises. Who are these randos? Oh my god. Alright, you guys can go inside now. Well, Pride won. Bogdan's like, yeah! That went great!
Burbachelif. He's Beniba Whelm. Pator.
That was a crazy fight. I really could not tell who was winning. Plot twist, Pride won but refuses to use his umbrella and burns. Have a great rest of your stream. Off to bed. Good night, Dreamy. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for the raid. See you later.
Crosto. Halesho Weeby. Fues.
Yana? Brataplatz. Oh. Tway.
I thought I told them to have like 3 deep conversations. Is deep thought not the same as deep conversation?
Dag.
Small talk.
Sanadayola? Oh, shoot me out.
Weba. Pazam.
Deep conversation. Ah! Well, they got a silver medal. That's fine.
Oh, Fina. Bag.
Alrighty. Whoa.
Dolphus Blake.
They ended their date yelling at each other. Does Bogdan like electronic music? You sure? Wait, oh god, hold on. Next one's weird. You're going to bed. Alright, Tulo, good night. Thanks for hanging out.
Oh, Lempima.
Legrin? Denor. Flavar Samzo Dafuni.
It's rebate day. Nope. One that I rolled that I'm skipping because I try not to double up on purpose is Jules and Kaz. Actually, how do I want to do this? Ugh, I have to be strategic about this one too. It'd be a mess, but they'd have a great time. Honestly, yeah. Yeah. I agree. Is it rebate day? I don't care. It's gonna be a mess. I haven't even been paying attention to people's little. I hope everyone's chat icons have been working for those who redeemed them.
Can't see the end of the horizon. Hatsune Miku.
Thanks, Prongles. Oh, why do they hate being here? Derek is there. We got a Derek.
Chibi. Chabino.
Easy, Niblets of Brescia.
Frazzle Pelka.
Dude, Troy is so fucking large. He's so big.
Dag dag.
Oh.
Zisamba. Dag.
Oh, bro.
Navi.
Kisnoi.
So.
Yeah, fruits. Shalbo. Arlene Yared. Sturm Garshthar.
Why do you sound like that? Oh, I did not edit Avery's voice. Well, that's fine. Crudely compliment appearance.
Oh, Lampima. Oh. Dag. Bumkaro Musa. Vimbasai.
Saving up your points, Sam. Rosemary is here. We should be bringing Rosemary along to our nightclub dates too. Have her dance in the background. All right. Where? Let's go inside. Gotta be a bird! Oh, there's so many birds to choose from, too. Where the fuck is Soybo? There he is. This could be awkward. Oh, fuck. Avery's too embarrassed to flirt. God damn it. Are there two Toybos? I think he just went inside. I hope there's just one. Yeah, I think he was outside for a bit and then he went inside.
Can Lagor. Ah, Sikafus. Ankina Barbamu.
Are they? I don't know if they're dating.
Gorabani.
Ah, Suna Nibnub.
Suna Nibnub.
Ah, Rabuda. Couture, Wolf Preserve.
Visharibo.
Bad and crab, huh?
How do I ask him if he's single?
Bine. Open now. Oh, shoot.
Aflin Wadida.
Arish, Tepsoturim. Wapanafanaya.
Well,
Huh?
we'll see.
Drobus Varick. Ah, chul. So, terrific.
Aiden looks like he's on the set of a weird porno. The music is not helping.
Blurna Toba, Bluff, Robla, Klarshin.
Dude, Avery is so uncomfortable. Literally just because they were trying to flirt. Oh no.
Ekplu, Nepa. Exu, Narfa. Huh? Blush up. Zilnoy, Schmezel Klim, Lissarak.
Okay, I can't romance, but can I give a gift? Oh, I can only give a friendly gift?
Bombade.
Oh my god, I don't know if I can get him on a date.
Bliggy, Booney, Nagama, Shmoony, Newbeam, Shore. Yanabi.
This is a disaster. Maybe I can buy them a potion. They're wizard dueling, because I don't know, I'm trying to get them to like warm up to each other. I think I just need to buy a flirty potion. What is this point to these? I forgot what these are called. Aspiration points? Boom. Satisfaction. Oh, they're feeling playful. That's not embarrassed. Can we flirt now? We can flirt. All it took was some wizard dueling. Yeah, this feels right.
New squad douche and new squad nosh. Had that. Buckle.
Did that not work? Ooh, yikes.
The son of Diola? Oh, Shubira. Uh-huh. Yips.
What's romantic? A daisy.
Henbei. Yishla Henbei? So. Saba. Ulak. Storn of Flame.
Ah, Chul.
Floof. Shobaba. Yabahorn. Unik Snow. Floya. Bushka Karul. Bushko. Pim. Ginger. Leaps. Leaps. Rislick. Fanga. No
Date? No.
Jessene, huh?
Not yet. We're not even on the romance meter. Give him the daisy. Give him the daisy.
7A. Jabana. Elbow.
Ooh, oh no.
Oh, Prita.
They're really awkward. Daisy, give him the flower. Give him the flower. Give him the flower. Give him the flower. Wow. Okay. Okay, we're feeling flirty. Oh my god. Seduce? Oh no, no, no. Where is date? Can we not go on a date? Are you married? No, because Leah went on a date. I'm not gonna seduce him!
Spino? Yeah, Fruz.
Oh, they hadn't even exchanged phone numbers yet. God damn it. Fine. Wait, it won't even let me do it anymore. Oh, because he's not feeling flirty anymore. Hold on. Wait, where did it go? How do I use it? Huh? Wouldn't it be in my inventory? Oh, it's right here. I'm a silly little guy. This is terrible. Oh my god. Wait, okay, because Avery is unflirty, they have all these unique flirting options. Pathetic pickup line. Ask completely inappropriate question.
Florine? Oh, Ibon. Chibi.
This is so funny. Wait, where was it? Seduce? It's still not even an option. I don't know where that went. This is crazy. Feebly ask on date.
Urazap? Ah, and Fabi.
This is hilarious. Okay, it worked. Where on earth do I take them? The park. What else we got? Let's go to a magic bar, I think. I like this one. This is terrible. I think Avery is like the only sim that I've made that has the unflirty trait, because I think it's fairly new. It's really funny. Oh, it's winter. That's cool. Alright, gang, who we inviting? and a child. Sure. Dude, why is this so dark in here? They'll survive. Toivo. How come they can already kiss? What is going? God, all these are so awkward. Reluctantly embrace. Everyone is so cold. Is this nightclub like not sealed? Everyone is so cold.
Merkid Quinova. Yips. Alchas. Come on. Oh, Bouchard. Clark. Sanadayo. Oh, shoot. You're out. Oh.
Whose toddler is that? That's Troy's. He's the dog man. Take your damn selfie. Everyone is so cold and miserable. This is so funny. Okay, bye. Derek's outfit. They're wizard dueling. I didn't think they'd do it out in the snow. Avery's feeling very confident.
Hexfumia!
Oh god. Alright, y'all can you guys go inside. I love watching people like book it inside because it's so fucking cold.
Glarny Stulius.
Okay, y'all can be done.
Holius Next Flufio.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, y'all can go inside now. Ooh, the lighting. Now they turn the fucking lights on. Now it's a party. Can they dance together? Tell unbelievable story. Why are they doing so well? Even with the unflirty trait. Derek's fucking Christmas sweater is so funny.
Right news! Abanu, Benesh, Lord, Wolfik, Shraga Nabizi.
Can y'all sit somewhere? Everybody's taking all the good seats. Their date is technically going badly.
Oh, Yatabu.
I like how as soon as you said that, they got a bronze medal. Oh, is Derek gonna be in the back? Nice. Wait, that's cute. I think Orb is in the background too. Nice. How do I get them to dance? God, watching everybody come indoors from the blizzard. Oh, okay. They had to make it to the club or they would die. Are they taking more selfies? Guys, I didn't tell you to do that. These are the same pictures.
What's up, dude?
What's that, dude?
Born for the cozy bath. Yes.
Oh, they're dancing.
Chicks been blonde.
Nice. They're really excited about the selfies. What? No, Tovo, come here. Come here, buddy. Come over here. Over here. Let's chat by the orb. Come to the orb. Come to the orb. We're gonna gather at the orb. Not everyone at once. It's fine. Buddy, you gotta sit down. Toivo, please sit. Please sit down. Please sit down somewhere. Right here? Right here? Right here? Yes! No? Who the fuck are you? Get out of here! Talk about Blizzard.
Oh. Dope. Skooma Pani, Jessene Klonka, Slanaga. Tobano.
Orb is like the only one dancing in the background. Can they like go play in the snow? I know it's a blizzard, but oh my goodness. This is gonna be so romantic. He's miserable.
Yeah, yay, bless.
What? Come on! Did Toivo not come out here? I wonder if they can die. Like, I know that I think they can die of cold, but I might have turned that feature off. I'm like not super sure though. Coming out in the blizzard. How Midwestern of them. All right, y'all are done. I think you've suffered enough. Let's go inside. What the hell is this? Oh, she's ready for the blizzard. Damn. In the heels too? Nice. I told them to come inside. Guys, stop. Y'all gonna die out here. Go inside. Literally, they just do whatever the fuck they want. I'm begging you to have a dance battle. Dance battle now. Dance battle. Avery! Dance battle! They're revolting. Hello, Simple. Welcome. Alright, something's broken here. Go inside. Okay, okay. We're moving, we're moving, we're moving. We're moving, we're grooving. We're dancing. We're dance battling. Perhaps. No, why are you?
Cleavar.
Well, that was thrilling. I couldn't even get him inside for the dance battle. Well, you know, they got a silver medal, and some of the dates tonight didn't even do that. So I guess we did fine. Okay. I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. I considered doing one more, but I think I hit my limit. I'm gonna find somebody to raid. I'm not normally streaming at this time of the day, so a lot of unfamiliar faces on my follower list. I think we're gonna raid Remy. Yeah, let's raid Remy. Remy's playing Valorant, and is a little wolf boy fisherman. Alright, and thanks guys for hanging out tonight. It was super fun. And I do want to do more of these more often. Thanks for streaming and thanks for giving me your characters to play around with. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye!